So today I'm going to install blinds on this window. There's a couple different styles of blinds, and these are going to be inside of window. So I'm going to go inside of casing to inside of casing. There's two brackets, one left hand, one right hand. Basically it just has to open up to allow the blinds to slide in. I don't measure, I just put the blinds up into the top corner of the casing. Okay, before I hang the blinds, a couple things I gotta put on. End caps for the bottom. Both sides are done. Find it easier to work with a little distance here. Next, the clips for the front cover go on. Just snap them on the metal section here. And just line them up, slide them in. Take your rod, it'll click in, take your cover piece, and snap it on. And there you have it. Got a window with privacy now. And what do you know, they match.